All right, welcome back everybody to my new YouTube channel, Invest the Rest. The focus of this channel is to review different accounts, all of which have started with $10,000, set up for the year of 2025, and basically review them against each other. In my last video, I covered a high yield dividend fund focused account that was set up with $10,000. And today I'm going to review more of a growth focused fund, which I would describe as medium to low risk, a little bit more stable than your high yield cash flow focused dividend account. First off, as always, this is not financial advice, and I am obviously not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Like I said in my previous video, I lean towards diversity throughout my accounts. And in this growth account, these are all funds that track the large indexes or the total stock market overall. That's going to provide us a little bit more stability and a little less volatility in our investments. I like to choose accounts from different brokerages or management firms. In this account, I've chosen Fidelity, which is here at the top, Vanguard, John Hancock, Invesco, and iShares, which is a funds created by BlackRock. Once again, we've started out, we made all of our investments, we did not call dollar cost average, we made all of our investments on January 2nd, 2025 to the tune of $9,907. In addition to diversity across the providers of the fund, the management firms of the fund, I've also tried to, as best I could, diversify the percentage of my portfolio that each fund is accountable for. This fund was a little bit more difficult to do that than the dividend fund, if you watched my previous video, because some shares such as VUG by Vanguard right here are, they cost $412, or they cost me $412 per share. And then I have other funds that I've chosen that are only $50 per share, such as XLG by Invesco. So from 1 share all the way up to 20 shares, this is how many I bought on January 2nd. This is what I paid. This is my cost basis for my original investment. And this is the current price of the stock. So as you can see, over the second trading day, I should say, at close on January 3rd, we are up 1.05%, or $103.74. That's where we're at so far. How we reinvest our capital gains, if we move to other funds, if we keep only these funds as they are now, as FBCG grows, do we cash out some of those 20 shares and continue to diversify our portfolio into more funds or into some of the other funds that may not be performing as bad, or as good, I should say. That's going to be a decision down the road. For right now, we're going to let this fund sit and continue to grow. Based on the 2024 1-year performance of these funds over here in column K, our projected return on investment for our $9,900 is about 37%, just over 37%, or $3,697. So we're going to take this $9,907 in a very stable market trending account, and we're going to grow it to $13,697 by 2026. That's a 37% gain. And again, we're going to continue to put any discretionary income, any extra income from any of my other sources or my full-time job into all of my funds and continue to snowball and see where we can get by 2026. I fully anticipate this fund to perform at a lower level than the high dividend fund that I went over in my previous video. However, this one, I'm not worried about a slight downturn in the market. The funds in this fund should be able to ride through any market volatility with relative minimal impacts to our overall gains when looked at over the full year of 2025. It's only day 2. We're just getting started, but this is the growth fund, the high dividend yield fund, high risk fund was reviewed in my previous video. Check that out. Like below if you found any of this information valuable. Subscribe. I'm going to do continual updates on all of my funds every week, every month as these funds continue to grow and I make changes to them. So subscribe to be notified of new videos, and I appreciate everybody watching. Be on the lookout for an options trading based $10,000 fund where we'll go over how to set up options trading in different brokerages and how to go about options trading to harvest some of the premium that you can get from doing so. Please comment below if you have any other fund ideas that you think a $10,000 account could be interesting to watch to see how it acts. And once again, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to everybody later.